and it's very wonderful talking to you and meeting you, so that I know that I'm talking to a great person who really
Thank you.
is, fascinating. Am I visible and audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible, Nijami. What about me?
Yes, of course. And may I know your name, please?
My name is Mahesh Nagda and I'm from Madhya Pradesh.
Good morning, Mahesh. And my name is Sukhwinder. I'm from New Delhi.
Okay.
And nice meeting you. And just one thing I want to know, like you might be knowing today's topic, right? So, do you want to start right away with the topic, or you want to have a general conversation today?
Yeah, we can have a general conversation.
Okay, right, as you wish. So, tell me something about yourself, what you're studying and everything.
Okay, so as I told you that my name is Mahesh and I'm from Madhya Pradesh and I've done my graduation, which is Bachelor of Business Administration. And currently I'm preparing for competitive examination.
That's great. Now you are getting onto your educational aspect and
Mm.
moving towards your career, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, all
By
the
the way,
best.
yeah, thank you.
Yes, yes, please.
Can I know something about you? What do you do and what is your profession?
Of course, as you know, my name is Sukhwinder. I'm a
Mm-hmm.
teacher by profession, and
Okay.
I have a experience of teaching around 6 years in a school. And right now, I'm taking this session with you and pursuing a new career. And I'm very great and grateful and delighted that I am meeting you and just assisting you wherever I can, so that you may face no problems while studying a thing.
Yeah.
And
And it's
may I?
absolutely, yeah,
Yes,
a
yes.
wonderful experience when while we are conversing with the new different people on the different topics.
Yeah, it's great. And you know what? It enhances your skills. It builds
Mm.
confidence inside you. When you face a new person, you shed your inhibitions. You don't feel shy. And it
Yeah.
just builds your confidence. It builds your morale as well.
Mm.
So, may I know what is your favorite time pass, your hobbies?
Okay, so my hobbies are like playing cricket, listening to music, reading books, learning new things, and traveling are my hobbies.
Okay. And what type of books do you read? Fiction or something else?
Yeah, both kind of books I read, fiction and non-fiction. But most of the time I prefer fiction. But yeah, currently I'm reading non-fiction.
And definitely it's a very good hobby, because reading itself improve your vocabulary, your skills, and your English skills are built. So,
Mm.
do you prefer reading English novels, or any other language do you opt for reading?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I read in English.
Okay, that's great. And you just had a talk that you love traveling as well.
Hmm.
So the traveling is solo traveling or with family, and what type of places do you like to visit?
Okay, so I would say I would prefer traveling with friends and family. The reason is that with them the fun of journey become uh, more and more.
So
So
when you
that is
have a
why,
group with you, it's fun rather
it's
than solo
fun.
traveling.
Yeah, I prefer traveling with friends and family.
Good. That means one quality of yours is that are fond of making new friends, right? Am I right?
Yeah, we can say fond
Okay.
of
And
making friends.
you love traveling to new places? Like what is your liking? Mountains, you love to travel in what type of climate conditions, and what type of
Okay.
places do you like to visit?
Okay, so I would like to visit mountain places though, because I'm mountain person. So that's why I like natural beauties and mostly prefer mountains, snow, and kind of things.
Okay, yeah, so that means you are nature loving person.
Nature loving person. I still like historical places like forts and the historic places.
Any historical place do you remember you visited recently?
Not very recently, but before this corona, I would say BC 2019.
2019.
Yeah, I visited Chittorgarh.
Okay. And how was the experience there?
Experience was amazing, and I was wondering that how those people used to live there. I wish I could time travel and go to that time and see that how king used to rule and how used to everything used to happen and what kind of people used to at that time and kind of things I like, because the
So I
forts are so huge, and we just imagine how they built it. Even they are still intact. But and in this generation we make like these RCCs houses, they are just validity of 50 years to 60 years, but they are eternal since very long, and still they are intact unless they are not destroyed by the invaders.
So you really like that one should have a touch with the history, and we ourselves should take a step forward to restore those historical temples
Hmm.
or forts so that the
Forts
coming generation should know about our past,
should know
right?
about our ancestor, our past, our amazing history, that this is the civilization we belong to. Our forefather used to be so great. They sacrificed their life for country. They did everything for
Yes,
us. So we should cherish those memories, those person, those personalities, those things, everything. Because the
that's
Indian
very
history
great.
great and amazing. Everyone should know about this.
It feels so happy, like you want to restore those values. You just want that they should be passed to you and the coming generation, and our history should be known, because we in as a nation have a diversified things, cultures.
Mhm.
We stand like a unit in diversity, so many cultures, and so many traditions being followed by those cultures. So, and in all we present ourselves as a a very nice nation which has so much to learn, so much to explore.
Mhm.
And
Yeah, India
each
used to
and
be Vishwaguru.
definitely, yes, and it's
Mm.
still a Vishwaguru, because if we
Used
look
to
inside our nation, it's full of wonderful aspects. You take weather conditions, you take climatic conditions,
be
then you can have no a look inside different religions, their importance, and
different
how they are,
religions, different are languages, regions, people, a lot of things.
and how do they keep us united as well, though
Yeah,
different but still united. So
yeah, that
it's wonderful that you have so many good qualities inside you, like you want to learn about nature, you're nature loving person, then you need then there is a desire inside you that you want to know the history as well. And it's very wonderful talking to you and meeting you, so that I know that I'm talking to a great person who really
thank you.
is fascinated by new things. And do you like adventure as well?
I would say not much because I'm not kind of adventurous person.
Fine, it's fine. We can opt for something else. We
Uh,
learn. Fine.
because I have
And
acrophobia, so I fear of heights and thing kind of things. So I'm not interested much in adventurous thing.
it's totally fine, because everybody is unique and everybody is special. In whatever you do, you just need
Mm,
to excel in that.
yeah,
It is not that we should be shy or afraid to tell someone that okay, we are not interested in something. It's our choice,
I
and
accept
it
that what we are. Admit just what you are, what you like, what you don't like.
definitely that makes you unique and great,
Mm,
because believing in yourself is something that should be your topmost priority.
priority.
Once you know who you are, then definitely you can excel in anything you want. That confidence in you can boost you to face new challenges.
Yeah.
Because the scenarios we are generally getting judgments by others,
So that,
we are compared by others. So okay, fine if they're doing so, but believing in yourself is something that can really help you to move forward in life.
because original is
And
always better than the copy.
yes, very nice sentence, very innovative. And yes, it's true that copying someone will not enhance your own
Yeah.
skills.
Yeah. Be original,
So,
whatever you are, whatever you is.
and that makes you special.
Yeah, definitely.
So, how
By the way,
how do you? Yes, yes.
what is the temperature in your city these
Right
days?
now,
Because
Delhi is too cold, as you
oh,
can see. Yeah, as actually, no, Delhi temperature just fluctuate the weather conditions with the surrounding cities. As you know, there was a snowfall last
snowfall.
yes, 2 days back in Himachal Pradesh, Manali.
Hmm.
So yes, it's a little bit colder than before in Delhi right now.
Yeah, and still in my city is 7 degrees Celsius, so it's quite freezing here.
Okay, so same, we are facing the same
Same, yeah.
weather. Okay, and any food, winter special food you like?
Uh, if I talk about food, then it can be like anything, but I'm a tea lover, so I would say these days me and my tea is having romance.
Okay, and along, if I say fritters, do you like
Yeah.
fritters with tea?
No, I like biscuit with tea.
Okay, so how many cup of tea do you like to have every day?
Also, when I'm at my home, so I might take 4 to 5 cup of tea. But
Okay.
currently as I'm living in Indore for my study purpose, so where I have to pay 5 rupee per just kind of thing.
Small cup, for a
So
very small cup, you're paying
yeah,
5 rupees.
disposal. Yeah. So I take only 3 cup of tea, about three.
Okay, so where are you originally from? Where are your parents living right now?
My parents and I belong to Nimach.
Okay, where is this place?
It is. Have you heard of Indore?
Yes,
So is it
a very beautiful city.
300 kilometer from Indore?
Okay, so
And
you miss home.
I'm living in Indore.
Okay, do you feel homesick sometimes?
Yeah, sometime it happens, but most of the time I'm busy with my schedule and my studies, so I don't get much time to be homesick.
Oh, good luck for your studies, and it's good that being busy with study and for your coming exam, you're preparing so well. All
Mm,
the best for the coming examination. Hope you succeed and
yeah.
just get whatever you want to achieve in life. It was really amazing and a wonderful experience talking to you.
Yeah, same here, same here. Amazing talking to you.
Thank you so much. And uh, do you want to have a glance about anything up from my side?
Yeah, you can give your feedback, or maybe if any grammatical mistake I made during the conversation, if any big mistake.
I would say no mistakes, right? You converse well. Just when you speak, a little more pause is not required. You're good enough. You talk very
Mm,
well, and I won't
mm,
say that there is a big error while you speak. And if can you have a continuous sessions like these where you can speak about yourself or any other topic, that will
mm.
definitely enhance your skills. And I
Sure.
look forward for the same in the future.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, and good luck. It was Really a pleasure meeting you.
Same here, same here.
Thank you, Mahesh.
Nice talking to you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Same to you.